Hey, I was feeling a little bored, so I was asking people if they would come up with mashups that I can make as a recipe. Let's see. Hot sauce and raisin cheesecake, and no. Ground beef and tapioca flour French toast. Man, people have too much free time. Cashew chicken pizza. Man, people have. Actually, I could make that work. Go on. Now you're already familiar with how I bake chicken breasts, so we're gonna throw them into this 350-degree oven for what? Yeah, that is true. I do usually shred chicken for pizza, but since this is a play on cashew chicken, I want to chop it instead. I mean, you can still shred it, but I just think it looks better if it's chopped for cashew chicken. Anyway, gonna throw this into this 350-degree oven. Now that's gonna take about 40 minutes, so that'll give us plenty of time to get everything else ready. Now you remember our hoisin sauce, and what? Yeah, you're right. It's about half the amount that I usually use for cashew chicken. Well, the thing is, I'm not cooking rice this time, so there's not gonna be enough to absorb. I'm actually going to use this hoisin sauce in place of the tomato sauce. Ah! And since I'm not going to be cooking the vegetables in the hoisin sauce, I'm instead going to be cooking them in vegetable oil. And wait, that's not cooked. Hold on a second. Now it's cooked. And I threw it in the skillet for about a minute 45 seconds because there's more of it. Medium high heat, of course. Now then. Okay, we have our chicken, vegetables, and cashews. And you're familiar with the pizza crust and the olive oil. So now we're going to top it with hoisin, mozzarella, cashew chicken mixture. Didn't look like that much when I made it. Oh well. Cashew chicken mixture and more mozzarella and parsley, of course. And you know what happens next. Throw it back into the 350-degree oven for 10 minutes. There. Doesn't that look delicious? Now the best part. This idea may sound a little crazy, but it looks delicious and it tastes delicious. And it may be a little hard to pick up as you can see, but sometimes, what? Why not use a fork and knife? Man, you don't use no fork and knife with pizza. Well, you can if you want to, but anyway, that's gonna do it. And of course, you know where to find a recipe for this. Thanks for being with me. And if you don't like this, then you're really nutty. Wait, I used that joke before. You're really chickeny. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Maybe if I'll see y'all again soon. Maybe I should have said cashewy, but that doesn't make sense either.